In this video tutorial, we are going to show you how to make a letterhead like this. So if you want to be an expert in making such a wonderful letterhead, watch the video till the end. So let's begin the topic. This is a new Microsoft Word document. Here, let me go to Layout, go to Size, make it A4. Now go to Insert, go to Shapes, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Now go to Shape Fill, make it this fill color. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go to Shape Fill, go to Gradient, make it linear down. Now rotate it and place it like this. Now click on Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it here and again rotate it. And place it, make it more bigger and place it like this. Now select this shape, go to Shape Fill, make it this fill color. Now select this one and go to Group and group it. Now press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it here. Go to Rotate, click on Flip Vertical and place it like this. Now let me select this one, go to Shape Format, go to Group, make it Ungroup. Now select this shape, go to Shape Fill, make it this shape fill color and click on this one, go to Shape Fill, make it this fill color. You may select this one, go to Shape Fill, go to Gradient Fill and make it the linear down. Now again go to Insert, go to Shapes, pick a rectangle shape and drag it like this. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Make it more bigger and place it like this and click on right button and send it to back. Now select this one, click on Format Shape, go to Fill, click on Gradient Fill and select the color from here and select the color from here. Now change the gradient stops. This is perfect. Now click this one, make it duplicate, press Ctrl D and click on Rotate, click on Flip Vertical and place it like this and click on right button, click on Send to back. So my letterhead is ready. Now I have to add some text. Let me go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this device, click on Download. Here is the logo. Let me select this, click on Insert, wrap text in front of text and resize it and place it like this and go to Picture Effect, go to Glow, select this glow 11 points and make it more bigger. Now go to Insert, go to Shapes, pick a text box and drag it like this. Click on Shape Fill, make it no fill, Shape Outline, make it no outline. Here is the company name. Let me select this one, click on right button, remove hyperlink, select the text and change the text color to white color, change the font from Bruce Script Empty and increase the font size from here. Let me select this text, go to Capitalize each word and select all of this text, go to Capitalize each word. So here let me cut both of this text and paste it like this and make it more bigger and paste it like this. Again select this one, make it duplicate and paste the email and the phone number like this. Decrease the font size from here and paste it like this. Now let me go to Insert, go to Icons, search Phone, select this icon, click on Insert, Graphics Fill, White Fill, wrap text through and paste it like this and decrease the size. Click on this one, wrap text in front of text and paste it here. Go to Insert, go to Icons, write Email, select this one, click on Insert, Graphics Format, Graphics Fill, White Fill, click on wrap text in front of text and paste it here and resize it and place it like this. Now select on this, copy by pressing the Ctrl key and paste it here, and let me write the address of the company. Go to Insert, go to Icons, click on Location, select this one, click on Insert, wrap text in front of text, graphics format, white fill, and paste it like this. Place it here. Let me go to Insert, go to Shapes, pick a text box and draw it like this. Shape fill, no fill, shape outline, no outline. Click on this and send to back. Now I have to add the text here. Let me paste it here, increase the size and place it like this. So my letterhead is totally ready. Hope you found this video helpful. If you want to download the template, check the description box and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.